Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make a soft, healthy carrot chapati that are tasty and perfect for a meal. Therefore, let's go quickly to the ingredients I gathered. I have oil, warm water, all-purpose flour, salt, and our grated carrot. This is our main theme over here. That's why we call it carrot chapati. Let's start our process of kneading because I had grated my carrots earlier. Therefore, let's get direct to the process of kneading. I'm going to add a half teaspoon of salt, I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of oil, the carrots we have in my basin, in my mixing basin, is 2 medium full grated carrots. After adding salt, carrot and oil, we are going to add 2 cups of wheat flour. Now I'm going to mix everything together, and as I mix it in this process, I'm doing away with the air. Let's mix together. As you can see, I've mixed everything together. Therefore, I'm going to add water gradually. As I add water, I'm going to knead our dough until it becomes soft. Therefore, let's knead together until the end. Kindly, if you are new to this channel, subscribe, comment down below, like and support my channel. I'm going to add water again gradually until we have a soft dough. Therefore, I'm going to keep kneading my dough as I add water gradually. Let's knead. Now water is enough. We are just going to keep kneading. Let's keep kneading. As you can see, the kneading process is finally bringing out our dough to be soft. If you haven't tried this carrot chapati, kindly follow the recipe until the end and you try it. It's very healthy and tasty. Let me put 1 spoonful of oil to do away with the flour which has stick into our basin and in my hands over here. As you can see, adding oil at the last process is going to help us to have a clean basin and a clean hand. After kneading process, I'm going to let my dough to rest for 7 to 15 minutes. From there, we'll start our rolling process. Now I'm going to let my dough rest for 7 to 15 minutes. The process of letting it to process is going to help our chapatis to turn out to be soft. Therefore, let's give our dough 7 to 15 minutes to rest. From there, we will start the rolling of our chapatis. I'm going to cover it. "15 minutes is gone, therefore we are going to start the procedure of rolling our chapatis, and I'll take a small portion, as you can see, of my dough. Then I'm going to roll it, and after rolling it, I'm gonna dust it. Then I will make a thin circle. Therefore, let's start our process. Let's roll our dough over here. Let's roll it. As you can see, I am rolling. Here the shape doesn't matter. As long as we have a shape, we can apply our oil and dust. I'm going to apply my oil. Let's smear it together. After applying oil, let's dust our dough. After dusting, I'm gonna roll it again. We roll it this way, as you can see, the way I'm doing. Then after rolling it, I'm gonna make a thin circle. Let's make a thin circle and head straight to our heating pan and start making our chapatis. This is it. And as you can see in my tray, this is my balls. So I'm just going to start heating my pan and roll my chapati and cook. Let's head to the kitchen and start making our carrot chapati. My flat pan is already heated. Therefore, I'm just going to place my roll of chapati. And wait for it to cook until the small bubbles appear on both sides. As it cooks, I'm going to keep flipping it. Let's flip it. As you can see, both sides of my chapati, it has bubbles. Therefore, it means I'm going to apply oil. Let's apply oil. As the other side is cooking, I'm going to apply oil on this side. And I'm gonna flip it again. As you can see, this is the results of our carrot chapati. My chapati has really cooked to golden brown, and you can see the spots has appeared. It's really look nice and tasty. Therefore, let's cook others until the end. Kindly watch. Subscribe for more simple recipe you and me can afford at home. And I will appreciate your support. I'm going to put another roll of chapati on my hot pan and let it cook until it turns to golden brown and the spots appear on both sides of my chapati. Let's cook until the end. As the one on the pan is cooking, I'm going to roll another one. My chapati is really cooking. Kindly, if you haven't tried this recipe, watch my video, subscribe for you to have more recipes. I'm going to flip it. This is ready. I'm going to apply oil, flip it. Let's flip it again and apply oil. As you can see, it's really turning out to be golden brown. Let me flip it again. Golden. My chapati is ready. As you can see, it is layered. Try this recipe, guys, and comment down below. This one is almost ready. Let me put another one. Finally, our soft carrot chapati is ready. And as you can see, it looks very delicious. Guys, thank you for watching my video. And for those who are new here, I welcome you to my channel. Subscribe. Comment down below on what you expect from me. And thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, kindly don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Kindly subscribe for more healthy recipe. And that is the end of my video of showing you how to make a healthy carrot chapati. See you in the next video.